Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That is an 18 by 24 inch canvas that is having a really hard time focusing. There we go. Now we're focused. It's dry. I primed it earlier. It was on top of a black canvas already. I am planning on doing a large swipe. As long as my bottles are open, I wish I'd checked. They seem to be somewhat open, but I want purple. I'm just going to do purple and pink. As long as I can get the paint to come out. I like doing the jagged version of things. I have some Hot Orchid from Color Art. I'm planning on putting some gold in here. I've got some lighter pink and I think that's going in here too. I was going to use gold, but it's looking a lot to me like silver would be a better idea. I wonder if I've got enough of this quinacridone magenta left. Looks like I have enough to do something with. The question is that enough paint? Oh, and there's the star of my show. There's my neon purple with iridescent pearl fine and a little bit of Anita's white metallic added to it. I am going to put gold in there. Or is it going to be silver? I don't know. See that amethyst from Artist Loft and I want to put more in. I think I need some dark. So I'm going to put, instead of the blue, I'm going to put the purple. The dioxazine purple. And because I can't help myself, it's going to have to be the electric blue. It's beautiful. I have animal fur in the air. I don't know why. Maybe because it's allergy season and they're scratching all the time. Well, that's a nice painting. I guess I'm done. Okay. So I didn't put any gold in there. Whoops, I did now. That was cute. Got it everywhere. It went absolutely everywhere. I have a rather large sheet of acetate. Actually, this is, I'm not sure what this is. This came from the dollar store. This was gifted to me. I'm going to use that right down the middle. Really? Now's the time to plug up. This is my Amsterdam Black with pristine wood conditioner in it. I'd like it to go all the way to the edge, please. Wow, I just about cleaned that paint right off. That's cool. Surprised I didn't put any white in there. This might be just a super simple swipe. I'm just going to do the same thing, assuming I can get more black out of here. And I'm hoping I can. There we go. Whatever it was, just unplugged. Just drip it down so I get an equidistant amount. I should have used the shorter side. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to keep right on going after I take that plug out that I actually could see, and that's awesome. Alright, so I still have some black left. I can't help it, I just love these colors together. A little more black. I actually want to take my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula that I used to prime my canvas earlier. Put that black right on the area that I want to use it, which is only to here, which is a good line of demarcation. You can actually see what I'm doing. I can't do it because my turntable is turning. That was different. Not exactly what I had in mind. I might be tempted to blow through the middle. This definitely looks like reflections on something. I've got to get a break on my turntable. There's just no doubt about it. See if I can hip check it. Oh, come on. Well, that's that. It's beautiful. I just want to break up that center line. I have a little tiny swipe tool somewhere here. If I washed it, that would be great. I get too many toys now. Do I want to go that way? This used to be my favorite tool. What that means to me is I could probably put some more stuff in here and get away with pulling on it. Because I have a really heavy layer of that black. And I can break up that center just by floating my tool through. Ooh, that was cool. Got quite a bit of pink. I kind of want to tip it so things move, but I also like it just the way it is, so I guess that's not really true. Have any other strong desires? I kind of want to keep playing. So if I put the Amsterdam black on one side and the Meeden black on the other side, maybe I can drag that right down. Don't want a hard line, but I definitely like adding another element. I've never done this exactly like this before. I'm really tempted to find out what it does with just the Meeden. Because Meeden sells too. Just not as well, really. I didn't put any red in there. I have another tool that I have not even broken in yet. It's got a point on it. I don't know if you can see that or not. Just gonna let that paint go all over that. So let's put that same pink down here. And that gold down here. I might need another mark in the center. Not sure I'm as in love with that as I thought I was going to be. Let's grab my purple. Let's wish it were open. I'm looking. Where are you? There you are. Cool. Wow. That's surprising. That didn't sell at all. Could be the paint's just a little too heavy. But it did break up that big gap that I was worried about, so I'll do the same thing on the other side if I can lay my hands right back on that. There we go. Kind of wanted to put some blue in there. I guess it's looking okay over there. I'm not sure. I did it in these services, but I don't think I heard it too much either. Pretty colors. Time to torch. Maybe not. I can't help it. I'm going to put a little bit of Meeden here. A little bit of orange there. A little bit of Amsterdam black here. And I like it. So I'm going to do it again. Went out. I know, I talk to paint bottles. I like the orange a lot. I need to make sure I have what I need. Pretty subtle. It was pretty subtle. It's pretty subtle. I like it better now that I've made it less symmetrical. Not that it was ever that bad, but it looks a lot like, I still think it looks a lot like Reflections. A little more Meeden paint. Just because I want to make sure I have a wet surface. I'm not cooperating. Yeah, that little bit of orange makes me happy. So I'm going to tell you guys, there's over 13,000, excuse me, 93,000. I don't know where that came from. I think I'm quickly losing my mind though. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check out some of my 2,000 videos on playlists by the 100. If you go to all playlists, created playlists on my YouTube channel, you will find topic and genre and 20 lists of 100. Or nearly. I don't know when they'll all be available, but they will eventually all be available. I've got some beautiful cells, and I've got some great colors, and I really wish I'd put a little more orange in, and I could put a whole bunch more in and be pretty happy, but I'm also pretty happy the way it is, so I'm going to be good. Look at those cells. Wow. So, I've got a couple minutes left to tell you guys, if you shop my Amazon link, you help me out at no added cost to you, and it helps me afford some art supplies eventually. And you can find my Amazon link on the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link underneath the video. At the top of the link tree, you'll find a brand new venue of mine, Le Gallerist, and it has clothing from Montreal. Beautiful clothing. Dresses and scarves and kimono tops and other beautiful things. And if you shop there, you help me out. And if you are looking for less expensive all-over print leggings and all-over print t-shirts, then look underneath the video and click on any one of those articles of clothing, and it'll take you to my store for Teespring. Otherwise, there's pixels.com and Fine Art America, and they're also on Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes, and more, as well as on the Linktree. So please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it when you share my videos. When you watch them longer, you're the most help of all. I do torch my paintings. I do use a torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures. You can find my paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe underneath Show More. When you read down about halfway, that's where you'll find all my recipes and instructions. Thank you guys for all the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Look on the end screen of any video in the last 20 seconds, and at the beginning of that exhibition video, you will find out what the prizes are for the month, for the current month. I have a new exhibition video every month and new prizes every month, and anybody who's contributing through PayPal or Patreon is automatically included. On the Linktree also, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. If there's anything I can help you with and you have a question for me, please feel free to ask. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. My community board will have tomorrow's video, and so will Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, my Facebook group for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors on Facebook also, I said that twice, also has albums of older YouTube artworks. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you anon. See ya. Maybe soon. I post 10 videos a week. Bye.